Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Conscious Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. In this video, I'm going to talk about Neville Goddard's Feeling is a Secret. Two reasons I do this. One, the way he articulates things is just ineffable. It's just so profound the way he articulates the law of assumption, which is, feeling the wish fulfilled. And essentially he's teaching the law of vibration, how to vibrate at the level of your desire. Okay. Everything in the universe fucking vibrates, physical and non-physical. As long as if it exists, it vibrates. It has a frequency. Okay. Things that are not visible vibrate. Radio waves, microwaves. Your thoughts are waves, that you cannot see. They have a frequency. And the things that are visible, like the lights, these lights, ourselves. So ultimately our goal is to vibrate at the frequency level of our desire. And we do that by impressing our subconscious mind over and over and over and over and over again until it manifests. Now, I'm going to go over two quotations, okay? Two quotations. I want to share something right now. It's good to go through challenges. It's good to go through fucking shit that you do not want. I had to go to prison to understand that I wanted to go to college or wanted to do good. Had to understand that there is a law in the universe regarding morality, good and bad. If you harm others, you will pay for it, okay? If you do good to others, you will pay for it, okay? And so I realized, okay, I don't want to do bad no more because, you end up doing time and, going to jail, having a criminal record, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So I said, I want to be good. I wanted to help people, okay? And that's why I'm doing it. That's why I'm doing this, okay? To help you. This helped me. It's helped hundreds of people. Just look at the people who are teaching this information. Rhonda Byrne, Bob Proctor, Jesus Christ, Thoth. Thoth is the founder of Egypt. They also called him the Atlantean, but I digress, okay? So let's look at the quote here. You never draw out of the deep of yourself that which you want. You always draw that which you are, and you are that which you feel yourself to be, as well as that which you feel as true of others. So this is very profound right here. I just did a little short on how what you feel to be true about others impacts your reality. Okay, what you feel yourself, what you feel as true, and what you feel as true about others. Because whatever you feel to be true is what you're gonna fucking get. Okay. So let's break this down. You never draw out of the deep of yourself that which you want. Out of the deep of yourself is your mind, your inside world. Your inside world, okay? Your subconscious mind, whatever you have in your physical, that is a projection of your inside world. And you always draw out that which you are. And you are that which you feel yourself to be, as well as that which you feel as true of others. Okay, so that's kind of like the law of cause and effect, or the we can put this way. You get what you put out. Okay, the beliefs that you put out is what you get. If you feel people are trusting, and you feel that people trust you, either or, you're gonna get that, and you feel it to be true. You feel that people love you, it's gonna be true. Okay, if you feel yourself to be a loving person and you feel it to be true, and you walk it and you talk it, it's true. Okay, you're gonna be a loving person. Okay, that's what I like about that part, that quote, that part of the quote, because you get what you put out. Okay, you get what you put out, whether it be action, whether it be beliefs, physical, non-physical. Your thoughts are a frequency. Your actions, you yourself, are a frequency. Okay. So what is it that you want? Put that belief out there and feel it to be fucking true. All right. This is something that actors call method acting. I was talking to my dating coach group, right? We have a group, and then there's an actor in that group, and he talks about method acting. I'm like, bro, that's manifesting. I told him I'm doing method acting now, you know. I told him the way I was doing it, you know, my beliefs, and so my beliefs will manifest because I feel them to be true. Okay. You know, I tell myself I'm an attractive man. I have an amazing sex life. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I attract the most beautiful woman in the world. Okay. And I just keep going on like that. They're like similar affirmations, but different. They're all the same. You know, like saying I'm happy, I'm joyful, I'm jolly. You know, they're the same, but it's just spoken differently. So I do that and I walk around like that when I'm manifesting. So I say those affirmations, you know. And here's the next one that I want to share. Quote, the feeling which comes in response to the question, how would I feel were my wish realized, is the feeling which should monopolize and immobilize your attention as you relax into sleep. So I'm reading chapter 2 on sleep, and the feeling is a secret. And he says you must feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled before you sleep. Okay, these are the instructions that they give us in the Bible, because he's referencing the Bible. And I'm referencing my experiences before I went to sleep. While I was in prison, I would do 3 things, threefold. Give thanks for the day. Do the Our Father, okay, which is having faith in a higher power. And having faith that God will give me what I desire, what I dream. And then I will visualize myself in college. I didn't know that I was manifesting, you know, through my mind. I just had no choice. What am I gonna do? Stare at a wall? You know, you're in prison. You know, you can't go out for 2 years. You're just in a box, and you have to use your imagination, or I think you'll go insane. All right, so I've done this a lot. I do this during the day. This is how I manifest during the day. Okay, I manifested sales. I manifested. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I manifested sex. Okay, manifested sex. And I would ask myself, how do I feel now that I have a sale, right? And I'll see it 3 different ways already completed. I'll see an email confirmation. I would see the desktop application saying that a document was submitted, or I would turn over to one of my coworkers and say, hey, look, I got a sale. I'm telling him, hey man, I got one. In imagination. And then when I ask myself, how do I feel now that I got a sale? I would ask myself, how do I feel now that I got a sale? And I would feel the feeling. I wouldn't hear a response. I would just feel like relaxed. Or I'll smile. So, you know, you can translate that to relaxed or happy. But I would feel it literally. And I would experience it in my mind. And then for sex, same thing. I would experience the next day. Okay, I would say, how do I feel now that I told my the parking lot guy that I had sex with, you know, the girl's name? How do I feel? And I would feel like happy or like something like that, right? It's been a while since I've manifested sex, actually. So I would do that. I think that one I did multiple things. I would see that. I would see her in my apartment. You know, it's good to do it multiple ways. I know Neville Goddard says do it one way, see, focus on one scene, but you can do few scenes. There is a time where there is a lecture where he says that there was a girl, she was crying because I think her mom had passed away or somebody in her family had passed away. So she's crying and she's in the back of a bus, and it's one of those buses that are open, right? I think they're the ones in San Francisco. So she's at the end of the bus and she's crying, and she says, this rain that's coming down is mist from the ocean, and the salt of my tears is the salt of the sea, because I am approaching, I think, this island. I don't know which island she wanted to visit. She wanted to go to an island. So that's multiple scenes, you know, closing her eyes, feeling it, and then she's opening her eyes, she's seeing the mist, and then she's seeing the the island, and then she sees the boat. All right, so she's no longer on a bus, she's on a boat. So there's the multiple scenes, okay? Each one is a scene, because one is the ocean, one is the bus, one is the island. But they're all after it's already done. It's like she wants to go to the island, so it's already done. You know, she's not worried. She's not thinking about how to get the ticket, how to get the money. It's already done. That's how you manifest shit. You don't have to worry about the money. It's all free. Everything you have is free, bruh. Everything is free, bruh. When you understand these laws, this is like the cheat code. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate they don't teach this in school, but the information's there. It's been out there for a while. Okay. Okay. When you ask yourself that question, how would I feel were my wish realized? Is the feeling which should monopolize and immobilize your attention as you relax into sleep. So monopolize and immobilize your attention. So it should take your full attention. That feeling should take your full fucking attention, all right? Your full focus is what it's saying. And then drift off into sleep. Okay? Drift off into sleep. I still do my threefold application of saying the Our Father, saying my gratitude. I'm always grateful for the day at the end of the day. And then visualizing, all right, the end scene and feeling the wish fulfilled, all right? Just experiencing, this is a shortcut, the end scene, whatever it may be. Say you want a lover, okay, or a boyfriend or husband, whatever, right? What would you see if it were true? If this were true, what would I see? All right, and how would I feel? You would, at least for me, I would wake up. From my bed, right? If I'm covered, I'll take out the covers just a little bit, stretch. I'll look to my right, and then I'll see her there with her long hair, long black hair. I see black hair and her nice curvy butt, you know, making the shape on the covers. And then I'll probably scoot over a little bit and hug her, say good morning, give her a kiss on the ear. That's the scene. It's done, you know? You want to get married? All right? In your imagination, see yourself with the ring, and then you're like in a restaurant with your husband or a wife, whatever. It's already done. You're already married. Feel it like you know that it's already done. Or be at the wedding, at the end of the wedding, and then somebody saying, hey, it was an amazing wedding. Have a good night. I thank you for inviting me. See, different scenes. Money. See yourself, what would be different and how would I feel were my dream true? Okay, what would be different? Okay. What would I see and feel if my dream were true? Okay. my dream were accomplished, okay, what would I see and how would I feel? So what type of house would you be driving? What type of car would you be driving, right? What would you buy somebody? See that in your mind, because it would change. You know, if you have $1 million a month income, that would change, okay? If you have $1 million a day income, that would definitely change, okay? So look up homes. That may help. Look up homes. Which homes do I want? Okay, so I definitely have to earn over $1 million a month, or I definitely have to earn over $1 million a day. Okay. And visualize it. And just that visualization part, that's the shortcut. Feeling it to be true in your mind. You get that feeling. As long as you're in that feeling, you're in that imaginal scene for a minute, you know, for a little while. You keep repeating it over and over and over and over again, and you'll feel it. You don't even need to ask yourself, but it's good. Ask yourself, you know, how do I feel now that I have X amount of money? Okay. Health. See yourself healthy in your mind, having that physique. Okay. And it's also important to feel good as you visualize. Feel good. Don't be in a bad mood visualizing. Okay. That's why Neville Goddard says, be in a comfortable state. Go on a chair or lay down flat. Okay. Neville Goddard actually would manifest on a chair, you know, and he would do it during the day sometimes. Okay. It's just that when he teaches before sleep, and he does teach during the day. He calls it prayer. We'll go on to the next chapter on the next episodes. Okay. So I'm gonna wrap this one up. This one was a good one. This one was a fucking good one, because that question will get you that feeling, and just focus on it, monopolize it, and let it hold your attention, okay, as you go to sleep, or as you lay down or sit down. I like to sit down during the day, and you visualize your imaginal scene, okay? And then hold that feeling, right? My cat just moves the camera. She was walking by. She moved the stand. That's why it moved. All right. So till next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me feedback. That way, you know, these could get better. Okay. And if this is helping you, share it with somebody that you fucking love, somebody that you care about. All right. I love you. Until next time. Peace. And boop.